Before you book Great Wolf Lodge, you're going to want to watch this first because there are a few things I wish someone had told us before we arrived. Today, I'm taking you along the entire experience from check-in to our room to whether it's actually worth the money. And one thing you definitely want to ask for before they hand you your room keys. Right now, we're about 10 minutes away from location and the girls have been counting down to the strip all week. So we are here. We're actually meeting my brother and his family there. So the cousins are finally getting to spend the weekend together. Yay! We just pulled into Great Wolf Lodge and honestly the excitement started the second we saw the sign. Parking was really easy. We grabbed all our bags and headed inside the lobby. The check-in process is pretty tedious. It takes some time to get through. So you want to make sure you have some activities for the kids to do while you're waiting to check in. The lobby immediately gave us cozy cabin vibes. It was beautiful, warm, and honestly, it felt like you were stepping into a completely different world. Thankfully, the kids stayed entertained because they had this talking bear and moose in the lobby that came to life every few minutes. They were completely fascinated and it definitely made the waits go much faster. Once our room was ready, we headed upstairs and I'll let you enjoy the walk because this place is much bigger than I expected. When we check in, you get a few bracelets for everyone. The bracelet acts like the fob to get into the room, so keep it on you the whole time. Was that it was really clean and had everything we needed for the weekend. We had 2 queen beds, a pull-out couch, a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and plenty of space for all of us. All right, let's get into the room. So you have 2 queen beds right here that can sleep up to 4. You have the day bed that actually pulls out with another bed underneath, so that can sleep 2. We have this patio with somewhat of a view, or not. So from afar, it looks like a view, but it's really just the parking lot. So yeah, they hate us. But we're not gonna spend a lot of time in the room, so it's all good. We're just here to have a spot to lay our heads at night. So going upstairs, as you can see, the kids are super excited. Couldn't really wait for me to get the tour completed. Let's go upstairs. So getting upstairs, we have a hanging wall, so you can hang all of the used towels, bathing suits to dry. You also have the bunk beds where the kids can sleep. So this bed actually could fit 4 kids. So all 4 kids actually fit on the bed, and they also had their little half bath here, as well as a mirror and a sink, so somebody could be brushing their teeth while the other one using the washroom. So that was really handy that way. So we missed the bathroom when we initially walked in. As you walk into the left, there was a full bathroom and a shower where everyone had to share. We had a kitchenette and garbage was well covered so the kids couldn't get into it. And we had a mini fridge so you could store some foods that you bought, as well as a coffee machine. So that room 4106 was super far from the elevator, and that was not a huge win for us because every time we had to walk towards the elevator, it just took so long. So when you check in, you can ask them to maybe not give you a room that's too far from the elevator, because otherwise you're going to be walking a stretch every single time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we're trying every single water slide. I'll see you over there. Bye.